Welcome to the best picks. The best mechanical keyboard is probably one of the most sought-after peripherals for gamers, programmers, and anyone who spends a significant amount of time typing, offering a unique blend of durability, satisfying tactile feedback, and extensive customization options that elevate the typing experience far beyond the capabilities of standard membrane keyboards. This in-depth review will explore the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you choose the perfect mechanical keyboard to match your individual needs and preferences. Number 5. MageGee MKBox Keyboard. It's a compact keyboard, perfect for saving space. Yet it includes all the essential keys, including dedicated arrow and function keys, making it ideal for both work and play. Experience the smooth, linear feel of the mechanical red switches. They offer a quiet typing experience with minimal resistance and fast actuation. It features customizable LED backlighting with 15 different modes. Easily adjust the brightness and speed using the function keys. With full anti-ghosting, every key press registers accurately. The ergonomic design and adjustable tilt add to its comfort and practicality. This keyboard is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac systems. It's a simple plug-and-play device, no drivers are needed. The durable construction and detachable USB cable ensure long-lasting performance and convenience. It's a stylish and functional addition to any workspace. What we like. It's cute and compact, perfect for small spaces. The smooth, linear red switches are great for fast typing and gaming. If you need a portable keyboard with customizable lighting, this is the one for you. What people say. The keys are full size, so don't be confused by the 60% size product description that just refers to the overall footprint. The space-saving design omits F1 through F12 keys, but you can get them by pressing the Fn key with keys 1 through 0, dash, and equals dot. The tab, caps lock, shift keys, and enter keys are normally sized, there is no compromise there. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Keyboard. Get ready to experience the future of gaming keyboards. It seamlessly blends the best of mechanical and membrane technology for an unparalleled typing experience. It features innovative hybrid mechanical switches. Enjoy the satisfying tactile click of a mechanical switch combined with the smooth feel of a membrane for ultimate responsiveness. Personalize it with GIFs, game info, Discord messages, and more. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Xbox, and PlayStation. Built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, it's designed for exceptional durability and sturdiness. It will withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. Customize your gaming setup with stunning per-key RGB illumination. Choose from a wide range of colors and reactive effects to match your style. Experience superior comfort with the included premium magnetic wrist rest. It provides full palm support during extended gaming sessions. Upgrade your gaming experience today with the SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. It's the perfect blend of performance, style, and durability. What we like. Experience the best of both worlds with hybrid switches. The OLED display adds a cool, customizable element. If you want a durable, feature-rich keyboard, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is built so well. It is made mostly of some sort of aluminum. It does not bend at all and it just feels very nice. The metal volume dial is very high quality, and yet again, just feels well built. The keys sound very nice. They are clicky, but not too clicky. They are also easy to press, but not so easy that I could see myself accidentally pressing one. Number 3. Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. Get ready to experience the ultimate gaming keyboard. It's designed for speed, precision, and comfort, so you can dominate the competition. These switches deliver incredibly fast and quiet responsiveness. Enjoy smooth, rapid-fire inputs without disturbing others. With per-key lighting and a stunning underglow, it will transform your gaming setup. Customize the lighting to match your style and create an immersive atmosphere. Take control with a programmable dial and 8 dedicated macro keys. Customize your commands for ultimate efficiency and in-game advantage. Game comfortably for hours with the plush, magnetic wrist rest. It's designed for support and features its own RGB lighting to match your keyboard. These keycaps are built to last. The double-shot molding process ensures the lettering won't wear off, even with extended use. Control your media and system settings effortlessly. Adjust volume, brightness, and more directly from the keyboard. Experience lightning-fast in-game responsiveness. Prioritize your inputs for a competitive edge. It's easily toggled on or off in Razer Synapse. Razer is the top-selling brand for PC gaming peripherals in the US. Experience the quality and innovation that has made us a leader in the industry. What we like. These silent yellow switches provide lightning-fast responsiveness without the noise. The customizable lighting and command dial offer superior control. If you're a gamer who values speed, quiet, and customization, this keyboard is for you. What people say. Keystrokes are moderate volume. 3 buttons on left side panel of keyboard. Was quick to set up after a quick restart with Razer Synapse installed. Tons of assignable keys and knobs available. Wrist rest is comfortable, hopefully that remains the case after the weather gets warmer. The rolling volume knob feels pretty good once you get used to using it. I think I had orange switches last time and these feel audibly more mellow than my last keyboard thankfully. As always I use the hell out of a toggle on one of my macro keys to mute and unmute my primary microphone and I'm thankful that the 5 macro keys are back because of that. Number 2. Logitech G PRO Keyboard. It's built for esports athletes, delivering competition-level performance. Experience speed and precision like never before. Its compact design frees up valuable desk space for optimal mouse movement. It's also perfect for taking to tournaments. These durable switches provide a satisfying tactile click with every key press, ensuring accuracy and responsiveness. Customize it with stunning RGB backlighting. Program static lighting patterns directly onto the keyboard's memory for tournament compatibility. The secure, 3-pronged design of the detachable cable makes it easy to connect and transport safely. A longer 1.8mm cable is included. It offers a 3-step angle adjustment for personalized comfort and rubber feet for stability during intense gaming sessions. Program complex actions or commands to the F keys using Logitech G Hub software. Note, macros are generally not allowed in tournaments. What we like. This ultra-portable keyboard is perfect for gamers on the go. The tactile blue switches provide satisfying feedback. If you need a compact, high-performance keyboard for competitive gaming, this is it. What people say. Typing experience was amazing. The key press feels noticeably smoother and faster than Cherry MX Brown switch as well as Cherry MX Blue and Cherry MX Red switches. You can customize rapid trigger, key actuation point, as well as light sync RGB lighting, button mapping, etc. via Logitech G Hub software. The X version of this keyboard is aesthetically pleasing. I like how the keys light, being bright and clear with rich coloration. The keys markings are well shown without distracting side glitter glow. I also like the cord, it is braided and more flexible than the non-X version. The quality and features of this keyboard make it worth every single penny. I like that I can customize the keyboard to suit different games and switch between them at ease. Also the many ways you can set the aesthetics to your liking. Number 1. Havit HV KB487L Mechanical Keyboard. It's a space-saving keyboard with a number pad, perfect for those who need both functionality and a smaller footprint. The compact design keeps your desk clutter-free without sacrificing essential keys. Experience the superior feel and durability of PBT keycaps. These colorful keycaps not only look great but also provide a long lifespan, enhancing your workspace and mood. Whether you're working or gaming, it adapts to your needs. It's equally adept at precise typing and responsive gaming, making it a versatile choice. This keyboard prioritizes your comfort. Adjustable kickstands provide the perfect typing angle, reducing wrist strain and promoting better posture. It seamlessly integrates with various operating systems, making it a versatile choice for most users. Simply plug it in and start typing. Easily lock and unlock the number pad with a simple key combination. Note that the number pad lights up only when unlocked, and this function may have limitations on certain operating systems. What we like. It's compact but keeps the number pad. The durable PBT keycaps feel great and look stylish. If you want a compact keyboard with a number pad for work and gaming, this is a great option. What people say. The mechanical switches provide a satisfying tactile feedback that makes typing enjoyable. I've noticed a significant improvement in my typing speed and accuracy. It has red switches, when most keyboards at this price point have blue switches. Gamers often prefer red switches because they are not as springy, and easier to push down faster, whereas most office workers tend to prefer brown switches, because they have some of the springiness of clicky switches without being as loud and feeling a bit more stable. This keyboard has a nice sound to it, which I find to be more of a thok sound and less of a click sound. I actually think this sound profile is really good, and have never heard anything like it on a budget keyboard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.